Looks like I have to get on down there. Alright, I'm waiting here by the entrance. Attempt 1 was a bust. Some people on their back porch, they were smoking and they saw me and they called their mom out. They're like, "Hey Ma, check out this dude. He's on the crane." Like, I could hear it from where I was, so I don't want to take any risks with them, but once the sun fully goes down, I'm gonna go straight up. The quality won't be as good for whoever's watching, but at least I'll get closure on this one. Alright, I'm gonna get down low on every level and do a once around to make sure no one's watching. That's my strategy. Oh, that's the train. I can't see it. It's the city. That's probably 6 floors. Nah, more than that, 10. I'm gonna keep going before I lose all daylight because this potato that I'm filming on cannot handle it. Not cops. That's another 5, 6 stories, I don't even know. It's pretty though. What's that fucking blue light? That's gotta be Lyft driver, right? That's gotta be Lyft. They're not gonna send the Secret Service for me. Starting to rain. Slippery. Near the top. I'm at the top. Holy shit, I'm a long way down. Okay, so basically, the door is closed. I don't want to set off any alarm by opening it. So I'm gonna go around the outside, which is absolutely petrifying. Come on. It's easy, right? Holy shit. Back up. I made it. Holy shit. It's not very confidence inspiring. Easy does it. It's not sturdy. And I'm just a little bit taller. Now it's really raining. I'm starting to get wet. I want to go to the very tip, the end. Oh yeah. I mean, I could go for a peanut butter jelly sandwich, but other than that, I'm set up here. It's gonna have to do. The walkway ends right there, and there's a big metal bar in the middle right there that blocks my path. But I'm pretty far from the main cabin right now, which is there. Okay, first of all, no, those sirens aren't for me, it's just an ambulance, but now it's time to get down. Let's go. Look at it back over the edge.